Yesterday when I was measuring, I was pretty sure that down here the studs were further out, not leaving as much space to get this flush. So up on top it was like 3/4 of an inch, but down here it was less than 3/4 of an inch. So rather than taking them back and planing it off, because it was like an 1/8 of an inch difference. So rather than doing that, I got the hatchet out and started hatcheting it off, chipping off the edge of the two studs. And I got this one in fitting really nice, you can see. And I just chipped this off. I think, I'll have to test it, but I think this will be close to fitting now. So we'll test that out. But when you're doing stuff like this, the hatchet's a handy tool to have around. And then I've been chipping off any excess caulking here or paint, because that way we'll be going right over top of this with a nice wide board, about out to here where it was before on each side. So the hatchet helping out right now and getting a good workout. It's nice and hot out, so getting a real good workout here. Okay, let's see if this one fits and nail it in if it does.